Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together.
There are days when everything aligns perfectly. Price respects levels, volume confirms, mind in sharp. I call this state flow. I can't be forced. It appears when discipline meets rhythm. Momentum feels effortless when you are ready for it.
Let's open that long trade here. This is a very relatively good entry point for this trade. We are following the trend. Let's highlight the trading area. The movement is very dynamic here. I am more inclined to analyze and focus on technical movements here. Here we see that the pullbacks are approaching the midline, the moving average of our channel.
Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today.
Here we see a fairly strong pullback, and accordingly after this pullback we will open a long trade. I think I'm absolutely right here, and our trade should close in profit. Two good pullback is in place because the movement has already crossed the moving average, and in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, you understand me perfectly, and as I said, the deal closed smoothly and we made a profit.
For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Let's open a long trade right here, why not? I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I think the moment will move higher. Let's highlight the working area. This is a very interesting entry point. We see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that the RSI is exiting the oversold zone, so I think we should definitely open a long trade here. We also have a good touch point. Overall, let's watch the outcome. The candle has already provided its main moment, so the trade could close at this level, more or less, and in theory this is possible and should be expected. We have 10 seconds left, and so far I am completely satisfied with the movement of this candle. The most important thing is that there wasn't a downward impulse in the final seconds. It didn't happen and the trade smoothly in profit.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. Every losing streak has an end. The question is, will you still have capital and confidence when it does? That's why trade small and think long term. The goal isn't to win today, but to last tomorrow. Survival is the trader's real edge.
How do you make over 1,000 a week from trading? In my Telegram I give free education and show real strategy breakdowns and share daily signals with up to 80% win rate. Join the Sawyer Community and start learning today.